Hey guys, hello. Okay, let's talk about 1967 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, first let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty 1967. Okay, back of the coin. United States of America. E pluribus unum. FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent. Okay, and the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now let's find out the value or the price of a 1967 no mint mark Lincoln penny in top condition. Yeah, in top condition. Okay, here we go. Worn 1967 pennies are worth around 2 cents each. Uncirculated pieces are worth closer to 10 cents to 20 cents a piece, while the most valuable 1967 no mint mark Lincoln penny was graded MS67RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $4,945 in a 2008 auction. Wow, $4,945 for 1967 no mint mark Lincoln penny graded MS67RD by PCGS. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. And have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.